What a beautiful garden.
This is my garden. I play here every day.
Every day? Alone?
Well, not alone. With Johnny.
Who is Johnny?
My dog. Do you want to meet him?
Of course. Call her.
Johnny. Johnny, come here.
Woof.
Good boy, Johnny. This is Robert.
Woof. Woof woof woof. Woof woof. Woof.
Robert. You speak animal. What did he say?
He said hello.
That is all. It was very long.
Yes. And he is hungry.
Of course he is hungry. He is always hungry.
Johnny, listen. Say hello.
Woof.
Hello.
Woof woof.
This is difficult.
Wait, I have an idea. Johnny, do you want a biscuit?
Hello. Hello hello hello. Hello.
He can speak.
He could always speak. He was not hungry enough.
Johnny, say my name. Say, Chloe.
Hello.
No, my name. Chloe.
Hello.
He only knows one word, Chloe.
One word.
One word is a good start.
Hello, tree. Hello, ball. Hello, grass.
He is saying hello to the tree.
He is very polite.
Hello. Hello. Biscuit.
2 words.
2 words. Tomorrow 3.
Robert, my cat is watching us from the window.
Is he? What is his name?
Milo. But be careful. Dogs and cats do not get along.
Do not worry, Chloe. I will make them friends.
Friends. Milo does not get along with anybody. Not with the postman. Not with the vacuum cleaner. Not with the sofa.
I speak all the languages in the world.
Do you speak cat?
I speak cat.
Hello.
Not now, Johnny.